When this train is about to arrive at the station, this dog takes control of the track and doesn't move an inch. But luckily, the train stops just in time. Even then, the dog refuses to move. As you can see, a guy on the platform keeps trying to get the dog up, but the dog refuses. Then, this uncle steps in and tries to help, but the dog still does not budge. Finally, a woman comes along, gives the dog a little push, and gets it to stand. But the dog just stands right in the middle of the tracks again. After a while, the dog seems to realize, if I do not get out of here, there is going to be a problem. So, the dog finally moves away. But still, after all that, they only got 10 life.